Revision starts in literature, because in literature our portion is completed, our portion is finished. Is it okay? So in first half of this session, we will be revising chapter 1 in literature, and in the remaining, that is in the second half, passive voice will be discussed. Okay? So literature chapter 1,
सर कौन सा बुक बताइएगा?
chapter 1 revision in literature. Yes.
सर इन इंग्लिश
Yes.
ओके सर.
English literature first, and then in the remaining,
न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ
in the
है.
last part of the session, passive voice will be discussed. Okay? Yeah. So children,
सर न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट
be ready.
रिपोर्ट कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है.
Are that I will discuss. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Children,
प्लीज रोटेट योर कैमरा.
lesson 1 in English literature, monkey trouble. Yes. So keep quiet, children. Keep quiet and listen. Be attentive. The narrator's
सर प्लीज रोटेट.
grandfather is a lover of pets. He is a lover of both pet and wild animals, both. Children, you know, his house is his personal zoo. Where does he live? At present, the narrator is living in which city of India? In
सर
which city?
लखनऊ.
In which city?
लखनऊ. सर देहरादून.
No. Dehradun.
सर देहरादून.
Yeah.
सर देहरादून.
It is Dehradun where they are living.
सैटरडे को क्या पढ़ाया गया था साइंस में?
सर लखनऊ में वो पाइथन रखे थे ना.
चैप्टर 3 का
Okay, children.
इंदू मैम. हाँ हुआ था.
Don't disturb. Yes. So, children, he loved not only pet animals but also wild animals. This is why you can see both pet animals and wild animals in his personal zoo. Earlier on, when the family lived in Lucknow, you know, children, there was even a python. There was even a python in the zoo.
Yes.
But yes, Aunt Ruby was frightened. Okay. Aunt Ruby was the member of the family who did not like the python as a member of the family zoo. Okay. And here in Dehradun one day, the narrator's grandfather came home with a monkey. So the new member of the personal zoo is a monkey this time. Children, you know, it was bought from a monkey man for the sum of how much? 10 rupees. Yes. Children, you know, the entire family was on the earthquake. It was on the volcano. All were shouting and crying, why monkey? Why monkey? Because especially grandmother, she did not like the monkey. Why, children? Why?
monkey is trouble.
Because the monkey is a troublesome creature. The monkey is never a dependable pet animal. It cannot be a dependable pet animal. It cannot be reliable. It cannot be faithful as a pet. So she was angry, she was furious. Okay. The narrator came forward in support of the monkey. The narrator came forward, Grandma, there is no pet for me in the zoo. So I want to keep this monkey as my own personal pet. Yes, my own personal pet. And then it was discovered.
not coming clearly.
And then it was discovered that the monkey was a girl.
Yes, sir.
Then it was discovered that the monkey was a girl, not a boy. This fact gave grandmother a lot of relief, because in her opinion, in her eyes, a girl monkey is less mischievous. So she decided to accept the monkey. So it was accepted finally. But Aunt Ruby once again she is scared of the monkey. The monkey's pearly white teeth and the eyes set in the deep socket. ये दो क्या है डियर, ये इनको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? सॉकेट, you know, pocket, socket. And the eyes, so both the monkey's eyes and her pearly teeth are frightening. So she is frightened of the monkey. Anyway, and there she was frightened of the python. While the family was at Lucknow, living at Lucknow. Anyway, everybody knew in the family that Aunt Ruby would not marry. She would remain unmarried. But one day she changed her mind. Aunt Ruby changed her mind. The narrator is saying that. Who is the narrator? Ruskin Bond. The narrator is saying that. Yes, the narrator is saying that there was a teacher from Goa named Rocky Fernandez. So that man came in her way and she decided to marry Rocky Fernandez, who was a teacher. Rocky Fernandez was a very good person as a teacher. So whenever he visited the family in Dehradun, he brought with him what?
Chocolates.
A lot of chocolates, cashew nuts, walnuts and other dry nuts. For whom? Especially for the narrator. So the narrator loves him. He is very close to him. So children, both Rocky Fernandez and Aunt Ruby, they are going to market. Why are they going to market?
Sir,
Yeah, to buy an engagement ring.
To buy an engagement ring.
It was forbidden. It was forbidden that nobody should follow them to the market or in the market. The narrator was eager to go. The narrator became eager to go. The narrator became curious to go there. Vansika. Yes. The narrator could not contain. See, the narrator could not contain his eagerness. The narrator could not contain his curiosity and decided to go. Okay? Discreetly. But discreetly. Means without being noticed. Secretly. दिखाई नहीं पड़ूंगा, मैं पीछे जाऊंगा दूर से. And when the monkey knew that everybody was heading towards market, she also decided to go. She thought that yes, the family was on an important mission. Yeah, the family was on a secret mission because everybody was leaving the house and going in the direction of the market. The monkey also. There in the market, they went into a jeweler's shop. Rocky Fernandez and Aunt Ruby, they went into a jeweler's shop and they were bargaining a ring. Bargaining a ring. They were negotiating the price of a ring. In the meanwhile, the narrator also appeared. Okay, so the narrator was first seen by Rocky Fernandez. So he signaled him to come in. But Aunt Ruby was angry. Aunt Ruby was angry to see the narrator there with them because she had forbidden him. She had forbidden him not to go. Forbidden him, sorry, to go. Okay. And then the monkey also secretly sneaked or slipped into the jeweler shop, picked up a necklace and ran away. The jeweler saw that the monkey was running away with the necklace. He lost his patience. He was nervous. He was bewildered. He ran behind the monkey, and the monkey was running ahead of everybody. The whole market was running behind, chasing the monkey along the market road. Yes, it was a stampede. This is called stampede. Okay? All were running, but nobody knew why they were running. What they were running after? Who was their leader? Who was their leader? But they were running and running. Some school children, they were going to market, they were going to school, so they thought that it was a fun time for them. Online class चल रहा है तो yes yeah come on
कोई मॉर्निंग असेंबली में कोई बच्चा इंटरेस्टेड है जिसकी आवाज़ अच्छी हो लिखो ना पहले सुन
well so all were chasing the monkey and the monkey was running ahead and ahead. A stampede followed. Even some school children, they were going to school, they also decided to join the chase. Okay, it was a fun time for them, so they dropped off the idea of going to school and they joined this chase. Well, the monkey was out of the market and it was heading towards the residence of the narrator, right? But she decided to take off the necklace and she threw the necklace into a muddy canal that was also running by the road. Okay, the narrator, the jeweler, Rocky Fernandez and many others who were joining the chase, they also dived into the muddy canal. They threw into the muddy canal and a treasure hunt was underway. Ultimately, Rocky Fernandez came up with the necklace. The jeweler was a relieved person now because the necklace was recovered. The necklace was recovered by Rocky Fernandez. The jeweler was a relieved person then. When it was recovered, He was relieved. Okay. At home, the wedding ceremony preparations are on. Okay. Marriage ceremony preparations are on. Grandmother is preparing a wedding cake in the kitchen. You know, children, you remember that incident. So for a while, grandmother came out of the kitchen and the monkey entered. The monkey also joined and started stirring it. Okay? Stirring it, and then she found many other unnecessary things like eggshells, chilies, spices and salt and many other unnecessary things. Everything was added to the wedding cake. Just imagine what a wedding cake it is going to be. The guests were served. The visitors were served the wedding cake. Children, after tasting the wedding cake, after having the wedding cake, okay. Children, after eating the wedding cake, nobody was seen at the house. Why? Yes, why? Yes, after eating the wedding cake, naturally, they may have fallen sick, suffering from indigestion. Okay, yes. So this is the end of this story. Right? Sit down. The monkey. If you are given a chance, stand up. If you are given a chance to keep a monkey as a pet, why will you keep it? Or why you won't keep it? Give your reasons. Will you keep it? Will you keep a monkey as a pet? Yes. No. Why? Wait. Why will you keep it?
So you are mute.
Yes. Why will you keep it? Will you keep it? Why? Listen, children, your expression is not sufficient. Your response is not sufficient. This is suppose this is a question of hearts. So at least in 6, 7, 8 sentences, such question must be answered. Yeah, reasons, explain it. Hey. You're naughty, mischievous, yes, troublesome, not dependable, not reliable, not faithful. A monkey is by nature, a monkey is an imitator. So nobody can predict what it is going to do. Okay. what it is going to do today, or what it can do anything. It can damage your property. It can damage your property. It can destroy your costly curios in your showcase.
Sir, you are not on.
Any yes. Oh. Yes. Yes, it. So at least children listen. Build up your language. If such a question is given in the examination, offline examination, if offline 80 marks, you are going to have the question paper of 80 marks. 80 marks. So if such a question is comes at least in 70 words, 60, 70 words. So that ability you have to develop. Understand? Yes. So write like this. If given a chance, I won't keep a monkey as a pet, because a monkey cannot be like a dog, or it cannot behave like a cow or a dog. A dog is docile. Friendly. But a monkey can never be docile or friendly, because by nature, the monkey is a wild animal, and by nature, the monkey is destructive. Okay, the monkey is destructive. नहीं देखा है, डाली तोड़ता है, फल फूल सब तोड़ के गिरा देता है, झगड़ा करता है, या quarrelsome होता है, mischievous. So the monkey cannot be relied upon. The monkey is not faithful. Okay, this is why I won't keep. And also, the monkey does not look nice.
Like a good.
Yeah, frightening. You know, frightening. It is frightening. Ugly. Yes, to look at. Ugly to look at. Frightening. Destructive.
Mischievous.
Yes.
Hateful.
Mischievous.
Spoil your work.
Yes. Believes in tore and four. तोड़-फोड़ को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? तोड़-फोड़ को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? Sabotage, vandalism, breakage, ये तोड़-फोड़ का होगा. तो ये sabotage में बिलीव करता है. ठीक है, sabotage. यानी डबल भी होगा, कि सिंगल भी होगा.
सर आपका फॉर्म
तोड़-फोड़ में करती है. ये जानवर इमिटेटर होता है. नो इमिटेटर, नकलबाज, कॉपीकैट. जब ये कॉपी करेगा तो अपना तो दिमाग रहेगा नहीं, ये तो कुछ भी कॉपी करेगा, है ना? तो क्या हो जाएगा, समझ लो. हाँ. But yes, listen. Though the narrator's grandfather is not like any normal man, he is a strange person. He is a strange because his liking is strange. The narrator's grandfather is strange because his fondness, his liking is strange. Still, we should appreciate him. Why? वो एक विचित्र आदमी है, उनकी पसंद विचित्र है, उनके शौक विचित्र हैं, लेकिन हम लोग उनको अप्रिशिएट करें. क्यों? Why should we appreciate the narrator's grandfather?
He has a courage to stay story.
Yeah, actually he is a lover. Actually, he does not. See, he is a true lover of animals.
Yes, sir.
He is a true lover of animal. He is a protector of animal. He is a conservator of animals and wildlife and biodiversity. क्यों हम केवल पेट की रक्षा करें? हम क्या बाकी जानवरों की रक्षा नहीं करें? इकोलॉजी में, इस फूड वेब में, फूड चेन में, इस बायोडाइवर्सिटी में, आखिरकार वो भी तो एक चेन है बायोडाइवर्सिटी के, तो हमें सबको प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए। मंकी, लिसन, सिट, गुड। सी द मंकी, द मंकी मैन, the monkey man earns money. See, this is not humanity at all.
He beat him.
We are so greedy. We are so greedy that we captures even wild animals for the sake of our belly. Belly means पेट। पेट के लिए, पेट को भरने के लिए हम लोग अनैतिक काम करते हैं। दिस इज जस्ट इमोरल। This is just immoral acts that people all over the world, they kill animals, they capture them, they poach them, they hunt them, and they earn money. This is not humanity. This is just simply cruelty. This is cruelty. This is atrocity. ये अत्याचार है, जुल्म है to animals at the hand of human being. Okay? But see, grandfather is different from others because he protects all. The monkey is in a very poor state. The monkey was hungry. With the monkey man, the monkey was hungry, tired, very miserable looking. It was in a very poor condition. The narrator's grandfather took pity. He took pity, means daya aa gayi. He took pity on the monkey. कितने लोगों को दया आती है इस धरती पर? इस दुनिया में कितने लोगों को दया आती है जानवरों की दुर्दशा पर? How many people in this world take pity on the animals, on the plight of animals? Rare. They can be counted or even none. So for this reason, yes, for this reason, the narrator's grandfather, he deserves our appreciation, he deserves our admiration. Okay? Yes. So this is what we learn. Let us also be a protector of animals. कोई भी हो। तुम लोग हड्डा और बिड़नी को सताते हो, बिड़नी को तो क्या करोगे? तुम उसको खत्म, तुम नहीं काटती हो। हम लोग भी तो काटते हैं। इंसान का काटा तो पानी नहीं मांगता। इंसान का काटा पानी नहीं मांगता। ओके? इंसान कोबरा से भी ज़्यादा डेंजरस है, स्कॉर्पियन से भी ज़्यादा डेंजरस है। साउथ अफ्रीका में एक देश है, उस देश का नाम है मोजाम्बिक। लिसन, अफ्रीका में एक देश है, उस देश का नाम है मोजाम्बिक। उसकी राजधानी में एक जू है। वहाँ एक जू है बहुत बड़ा। वैसे पूरा अफ्रीका ही एक जू है ना? डार्क कॉन्टिनेंट क्या हो जाता है तेरे?